Let's also listen into a reaction now coming from the JDU as well.
कदम उठाना चाहेंगे? रेलवे का एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है क्योंकि पहले भी रहा है रेलवे इनके पास।
देखिए, रेलवे का बहुत वाइड नेटवर्क है बिहार में एज ऑन टुडे, लेकिन ये जरूर है कि कोई एंड नहीं होता है, ये कि यही लास्ट है हमारा। इसलिए हम आपको इतना ही कहना चाहते हैं कि रेलवे विभाग डेफिनेटली कई सालों से बिहार में रहा है। बिहार चाहे वो रामविलास जी हो या नीतीश जी हो या क्या कहते हैं,
बिहार के पास हमेशा से रहा है।
हमेशा से नहीं,
लगभग जितनी भी लगभग कई बार रहा है।
हाँ,
जी।
लालू जी खुद रहे बहुत साल, इसलिए कई बिहार का रहा है। इसलिए बिहार का डेवलपमेंट सो फार रेलवे इज कंसर्न बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, बहुत ज्यादा है।
और भी ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट के लिए होना चाहिए वापस से एक बार फिर से।
कोई काम नहीं है जो जिसका सैचुरेशन होता है, इसलिए सैचुरेशन जहाँ नहीं है वहाँ एक्टिविटीज डेवलपमेंट का चलता रहेगा। इसलिए अभी ये स्कोप सब जगह है, रेलवे को छोड़ के सब जगह स्कोप है। जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए बता रहे, जैसे हमारे यहाँ बिजली आ गई है, सब जगह बिजली है, तो डेफिनेटली बिजली जब आ गई है तो हम लोग इंडस्ट्री लगाना।
So that was, of course, Rajiv Ranjan of the JDU speaking to our colleague Techri. He's, of course, now part of the JDU, which is a constituent of the ruling dispensation that will be governing India in the NDA's third term. And he, of course, was speaking about questions being asked of the constituents of the NDA about possible portfolio allocations when it comes to forming the government, and, of course, the oath-taking ceremony that will be taking place on the 9th of June. Let me go across to Techri now for more on this. Techri, you had a word with Mr. Rajiv Ranjan of the Janata Dal United, part of the NDA. What are their expectations now in terms of portfolio allocations and ministerial berths when it comes to NDA 3.0? They're, of course, being tight-lipped, not revealing too much, but there's still speculation.
Well, they are tight-lipped, but there is no deadlock over the cabinet portfolios, because as far as JDU is concerned, then Rajiv Ranjan just directly hinted that railway is that particular ministry that has most of the time been with the Bihar, and that is why they expect that railway ministry comes in their pocket. Apart from that, they also hinted towards the heavy industry and also as well the power ministry as well. So all these are three ministries in which JDU is showing interest, but we'll have to see that which ministry goes to whom. Remember that one important meeting is underway at JP Nadda's residence, and there is a talk going on in between which portfolios will be given to whom. A while back, Nitish Kumar met JP Nadda at JP Nadda's residence, and what our sources also tell is that apart from railways, Nitish Kumar's JDU is also interested in several other ministries, and the numbers if we talk about, so it will be 3 to 4 ministries that JDU will be getting, but we'll have to see that what is the final call made by BJP, which ministry goes to JDU. Do they get the ministries according to their expectations? As Rajiv Ranjan pointed that heavy industry, power ministry and railway ministry, and railway ministry is the focus for them, and currently railway ministry is with Ashwini Vaishnav, and we'll have to see that whether BJP gives railway ministry
We'll
to
see how those
Nitish
negotiations
Kumar.
pan out. Many thanks for that very important update.